Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, wherever you are watching us from. Um, Greetings from Gulf Research Academy. We are coming your way once again with information on our uh, tools that we use in our research study. So, one of the major tools that we use to do our research is we have been using it to do our meetings and our classes. That is a Google Meet. The reason why we are going by Google Meet is simply because we have a lot of advantages over the others. We have a lot of advantages over the others. Yes. So when you check, you realize that um, Google Meet, you can meet for more than 1 hour, unlike Zoom and others that you are limited to 45 minutes. And when you finish, the free period. So Google Meet is virtually free, and you can use more than just a minute to complete whatever you want to do. Hey, sorry, you can use more than an hour. So that is one good thing, and it is very very clear. It's usually clear. So let's go ahead and see how you can use Google Meet for your class, and if you're also a student, how you can also use Google Meet. So once again, my name is Jude Kandano. You can call me Ambassador Gandus. And we are into research. We came up with this idea of the online research study simply because we had challenges with most of the academic institutions have a lot of gaps. They usually don't have time for the students, so we are there to fill in those gaps. So let's go ahead. So when you are using your laptop, your computer, and then we are using Google Chrome for now. That is ideal. So when you tap on new tab, you tap on new tab like this, and then it opens up. You wait patiently. You should have network. So one is it opens up. Then you have this dotted thing that is like a rectangle. So you come and tap on this one. So once you tap on this one, you are looking for Google Meet. Among here, Google have a lot of stuff for you. Later on, we'll be talking about that. We have Gmail here, we have YouTube, we have the maps, we have news, we have chat, we have calendar, you have Drive, and a whole lot. So look at Google Drive. So many people are not even aware that you can upload all your important documents to Google Drive. So that wherever you are, if you don't even have the hard copy, but you can download them and print them out and use them. Gmail, your contacts, you can add contacts to it. When you are saving your contacts on your phone, you can only select Gmail. If for example, my Gmail account is jugandus@gmail.com. So anytime I want to save my contacts, I add it to that one. So God forbid if I should miss my phone, but I can always go back. Any new device that I get, I can download. The moment I log into my Gmail account, the contacts are automatically loaded, and I am good to go. So, but today we are coming to talk about Google Meet. So once you tap on this one, it opens. So you tap on Meet. So once you tap on Meet, it will load for you. And then once it finishes loading, there are two things. Either you want to start a new meeting, or you already have a link that was given to you. Now, if a link was given to you, that could be WhatsApp. If I will load my WhatsApp, I will open it. So you go to your WhatsApp group, and then once you go to your WhatsApp group, you copy that link, and then once you copy the link, you come and paste the link here. Either copy the link and come and paste here, or you tap on the link, and then it will open the system for you automatically. But it depends on your browser settings that you have. Yes. So let's say I want to organize a new meeting. So I'll start that one, then create a meeting for later, then start an instant meeting. So if I want, I can just tap on start an instant meeting. And once I tap on start an instant meeting, it is loading. And then once it's finished loading, I am good to go. Once it's finished loading, I am good to go. So what you should know is that once you do this way, you have the add others, and then you have the copy the link. So I can copy the link, and then I will just go to WhatsApp right now and put it on WhatsApp for you and ask you to join, and then we meet. I can send it to your email address and then ask you. If I tap on add others, they will open the other settings for me. So you see that they ask for enter the name or email. So once I enter the name or the email of the person, I am good to go. Now it has it opened this one for me. All my contacts, all my email contacts are here, so I can just add them. I can just add them. I can 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 add them in that order. So these are some of the things. Now, so let me close this one. So if I select this one and select this one and select this one and select this one, after I finish, then I say invite, they will receive the message by email. Okay. Then let's say I was not going to okay, this one has opened. Let's talk about this. So we have all this. The first one, we have the mic. So if I want to turn off my microphone and speak, you will not hear me. So if I turn on my microphone like this and I speak, the other people at the other side will not be able to hear me. Now if I on my microphone, they will be able to see me. Now to hear me rather. Now we also have the camera here. So if I tap on the camera, it will close the camera. So anytime you are joining Google Meet, the first thing you should do is that you tap on the mic, and then usually if you are to join, they will ask you for this ones before. So you tap on your mic, you tap on your video before you go ahead. Then we also have this aspect of the turn on captions. The turn on caption is if I turn it on, whatever that I'm saying, it will start writing it for you. Yes. So like for now, as it is on, I expect that it should have been able to load what I'm saying now. Yes. So as we speak, it will be writing it in that order. Then we also have the reaction. So I can minimize this one. I can also bring it up. So once I bring it up, and if somebody is saying something that you are happy about, or if you like somebody's presentation, what you do is that you can tap on this one, or you can tap on this one, or you can tap on this one. Tap on any one. You can clap your hands, or if it's funny, you can decide to smile. If you don't like what the person is saying, you can bring it up. But usually, many don't do those ones. Okay, so then the next thing is let's look at this one. Present. Let's say I want to share something with you. If I'm the one presenting, so I'll tap on this one. So as I tap on this one, they're asking me to share the side. I mean, where do I want? So if I want, I can share a Chrome tab, I can share the window, I can share entire screen. Anywhere you tap on and then you come and select share, it will work, and then they'll be able to see your screen, and then you go ahead to do your presentation. Yes, so let's say I can just come and say entire this one, then I'll tap on this one. Once I tap on this one, then I'll say hide this one. So now it will start sharing my screen. So there, and then everything about me will be appearing for people to see. So if I minimize this one, the other parties will see everything on my desktop. Anything that I do, they'll be able to see everything that I'm doing. Yes. So we continue. So now the next thing is that, so let me remove this one. Yeah. So the next thing is on here. If you want to raise your hand, okay. This one is the caption I was talking about. I think it was the network that made that one to delay. So everything I'm saying, you see that it will come. So that is it for now. So the next thing is on if you want to raise your hand. So if I want to raise my hand, I'll tap on this one. So once I tap on this one and then my hand is raised, the presenter or whosoever that is moderating, moderating the meeting will be able to see my hand. Now if they give me permission to talk and I finish talking and I don't want to raise my hand again, I'll come and bring my hand down. So let's say I want to take away this caption, so I'll take it off. I don't want it to be writing for me. Okay. So we have more options here. If you want to look at more options, so you can have changed layouts. If I want to change the layout, I can tap on this one, and then they will work out the layout for me. Now you have tiled. or whatever you call it. So I do this one, and then I pick it up. So now that one is giving you you want to see the total number of membership that are in your meeting. So I can increase the number. I can increase the number to, we have about 49, and that is the maximum display. So the other one, it will be able to show you in the other side. So now when I select that one and then I go back, then it will open for me and show me all the participants that are there. It's just because I'm currently the only person. It seems not to be doing whatever that I want to do for me. Okay, yes, so that's it. So then the other one is I can also do this one, and then maybe we want to look at the spotlight. You can also do this one, and then you just select any one that you want, and then you are good to go. Okay, so the next thing we can also look at is, and we have full screen, open picture in picture mode, and then we have apply visual effects, all of them. But I would just want us to focus on the most important thing. Apply visual effect, that's to the background appearance. I can do this one, and I can deceive you people that my background is blah 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 blah. Meanwhile, it's not like that. We also have the whiteboard. We use the whiteboard for, say, if you want to write something. So let's say start a new whiteboard. So when I tap on this one, and then they are saying that they are creating jam. So when I tap on that one, and then they opens it up for me. So what happened about that one is that during a meeting, you may want to do a lot of write up and that order. So let's say if I want to do anything, I'll come and tap on this one. I want to write, I'll come and tap on this one. Good. So let's say I tap on this one, I'll pick this one, and then I'll come here and say this one, or this, anything I want to do, I'll do there, and then it goes. So that is one aspect of it. So let's go back to this area, and then so there are so many things. Turn on caption is also here. Visual, I don't want to do the visual effects, but okay, let me do it. You see, so when I turn on the visual effects, my background will be looking different. I can select anything, and then that order. So I can decide to come and pick something like this. Okay, so my camera should have been on. Okay, so my camera is on, but this is saying that my camera is off. So okay, because I selected that one, that's why they now on the camera. Good. So it's just loading, but it consumes a lot of data. So that's why I don't share interest in that. I do not share interest in that. Okay, so I think basically these are some of the things. Okay, you see that they are just telling me. So these are the visual effects that it has loaded. So they are telling me that my system may be low because of the visual effects and all that. So that is it. So 10. Okay, so all these are just some effects. Okay, so that's it. So now we also have your participants here. So if you want to see how many people are there, you can just tap on this one and it will open for you. So you see that currently I'm just the only person there, but if you were many, all the lists will be displayed here for you. Then if you want to do chatting, you want to give messages, then you come here and give your messages. Then what you need to you look at the management, your the control. So here you use this one to set your host management. So we have if I on this one like this, host management lets you restrict what participant can do in the meeting. So now I on this one, let everyone share their screen. So I will come and tap on this one. I don't want everyone to share their screen. Send messages, I can tap on this one. I can leave it. If it marks it needs, people can send their messages. If it's not marked, people cannot send their message. Then we also have send reactions. Everyone is good. Turn on their microphones. I'll off that one, and and I will have to now give them permission I will turn their microphones on for them, then turn on their video. It's good to put that one to off, so that when people meet, they will not just meet with their video on. Now, host must join before anyone else. Now, if I on this one, then it simply means if I am not there, you people cannot join unless I am there and I allow people to join. So this one is very good if actually this is a control group. Once it is a control group, it is ideal to use this one to do that one. So that's it. No one has it. It has to ask to join. Anyone can dial in. So if I now, so you see that this one is marked trusted. So people can join without asking if they are invited using their Google account. So if I trust all my members and I know that I have only shared the link in one particular group and it's only in that group that members will be joining, I can just go by that. Now, if I want to make it restricted, I will have to select this one. Before you join, I must approve you before you join. So I think these are the basic things about the Google Meet that you should know. So I started with this one, but this is virtually the same thing as now. If I want to leave, I'll tap on this one and then I'll leave. I will tap on this one and then I'll leave. Now in leaving, I'll just say just leave the call, end the call for everyone. Sometimes when you try to end the call for everyone, it may not work well, depending on your settings, but in most cases, just leave and then you let everybody also leave. So once I finish, then I'll leave and then they ask me for rating and all that. Okay, so let's say I want to join it's another meeting. They are giving me the link, and then remember I copy one link. So once they are giving me the link, I'll come here, then I'll come to this area. So once I come to this area, what I'm going to do is that I'll touch on my Meet. So once I touch on my Google Meet, you may not see Google, you just see me there. Then I'll come here. I already copied the link from whatever, either my email address or Facebook or WhatsApp, Instagram, LinkedIn, anywhere that you can access of the meeting link. Then I'll come and say my control plus my V, or I can just right click and select the option. So once I do that, then I'll say join. So once I say join, it will take me to the meeting. So this is what I was saying the first time. Now, if you are the one joining, if you are joining from somewhere, the best I will always advise you to do is that once it has finished loading like this, in the first place, you come and tap on this one. That is your microphone. So once you tap on your microphone, it means you mute yourself before you join the meeting. And then you can also tap on your camera so that your camera will close. And then once your camera is closed, before you join, so I can now come here and I come and say join. Now, good. Now I join. People will not see me. They will not see my background. They will not see your background there, and then your background will not be making noise. Now, if I now finish joining and there's a need for me to on my camera and my microphone, I can come here and on my microphone. Then I can tap here and on my camera. So yes, and then when I join, I finish. If I want to give a message, I'll come and tap on this one and send my message. If I want to raise my hand, I will do that. So basically, this is all that we have. This is all that we have for you. Yes. So let me remove them. Good. So yeah, I'm now back to my normal background. Okay. So that is it for you. How to use the Google Meet to meet, and we want all our students to adhere strictly by this, and then you are going to enjoy. We don't want you to disturb classes when you are about meeting. That's why we are taking you through all this. So thank you so much, everyone. Stay safe, stay blessed, remain resilient, add value to your life. All the best. Bye bye.